Please follow for more.
Hello friends, good day. I remain Dr. D.I. June, your chemistry lecturer on social media. And last lecture was on how to prepare a standard solution or a molar solution. Those of you who followed me up that day, you know the extent we went. But today, we will talk about volumetric analysis. Now, this is a practical aspect of chemistry that is usually carried out at the secondary school level. But many students nowadays do not have an idea of how this practical aspect was carried out. Why? Because they did not pass through the experience while they were in secondary school, because they enrolled at miracle centers. Therefore, they just get the credit without practical experience before they get admission into the university. So, but as a chemist, however, you must one day need this practical example of volumetric analysis. Now, volumetric analysis is based on volume measurements of solutions. And normally, these solutions are acids and base. Let me give you a layman definition of volumetric analysis. I love doing so because I want people who are listening to me to understand the in-depth of what I'm talking about. So I already give you a layman definition. So volumetric analysis is the act of running a dilute acid solution against a definite volume of a base until an endpoint is reached. Now, volumetric analysis is also described as an acid-base reaction or neutralization reaction, because the acid is being neutralized by the base or the base being neutralized by the acid. Now, the endpoint is the indication that the acid and base have neutralized each other. Now, this endpoint is noted by a color change. A color change. But this endpoint can only be determined if you are careful enough during the reaction to observe when the color is changing. Otherwise, you will not know that the color has already changed. Now, and this change can only be brought about by just a drop of the acid on the base while you are running the process of the acid-base reaction. Now, volumetric analysis is also known as titration, commonly called it titration. An acid-base reaction always results in the formation of salt and water. For example, now, HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, react with sodium hydroxide as a base to give you sodium chloride as a salt and water as a product. So once acid and base neutralize, the product you have there is salt and water. Another example is between tetraoxosulfate 6 acid and calcium chloride, or calcium hydroxide rather. This will give you calcium tetraoxosulfate 6 water. So, if you look at it too, to balance it up, we put 2 here to balance it. Now, these are neutralization reactions. One element, well, one compound will be an acid, the other one a base. So this acid-base reaction is called neutralization reaction, or we call it titration. But it's a practical thing you must do in the laboratory. So, some of chemistry students who are already graduated from the universities, when they come to secondary school for their primary assignment, and they were asked to do short an experiment for students in SS3 based on the scheme of work. Many cannot do it because they were not taught or they never experienced it while they were in secondary school. And that is why it's very important that even at this stage of your life as a chemist, you should know about volumetric analysis. So, I will draw the curtain here. Please like it, comment, and share this video, and follow my account for more chemistry lectures. Thank you.